My dog wakes me up early in the morning. He is very excited today. He stands on my bed with the leash in his mouth. His tail moves very fast. I smile and look outside the window. The sun is rising slowly. Pink clouds fill the sky. Today we are going to the beach. This is an easy English story. Listen and learn. I get ready slowly. My dog waits near the door. He cannot stay still. Soon we leave the apartment together. The city is very quiet this early. The air feels cool and fresh. After some time we arrive at the beach. Nobody is here except us. The beach is calm and empty. Small waves move slowly across the sand. I hear seagulls in the distance. A light breeze touches my skin. The morning sun feels warm on my face. My dog runs happily across the sand. He leaves small footprints behind him. I walk slowly near the water. The sea smells fresh and clean. Everything feels peaceful. My dog runs far away from me. Then he suddenly jumps into the sea. Water splashes everywhere. At first I feel surprised. The water looks cold. But my dog looks very happy. He runs back toward me very quickly. His fur is completely wet. Suddenly he shakes his body beside me. Water flies everywhere. I try to avoid it, but I end up soaked too. I feel shocked for a moment. Then I start laughing. My dog looks excited and proud. Soon I sit on the sand beside him. The waves move slowly again. The wind feels soft and cool. My dog sits close beside me. His wet fur smells like the sea. After some time, we walk home together. My dog looks tired after all the running. When we arrive home, I wash the sand from his fur. Warm water fills the bathtub. My dog shakes water again. Now the bathroom floor is wet too. I laugh again and dry him with a towel. Finally, my dog sleeps on the sofa. The apartment feels warm and quiet. Sunlight shines through the window. I sit down with a hot cup of coffee. What a peaceful morning. Today I wake up early. My dog feels excited. He brings me the leash. We go to the beach together. The beach is quiet and empty. The sea air feels fresh. My dog jumps into the water. He gets very wet. Then he shakes water everywhere. My clothes get wet too. We go home together. I wash the sand from his fur. Now my dog sleeps on the sofa. The morning feels calm and peaceful. Thank you for listening. Watch another easy English story and continue learning.